So today we're taking a look at this cordless vacuum. We've been using this for a while. Thank you to the company for sending us this to try out. I broke it down just so we could kind of talk about the parts first and then we'll talk about use. So it does have the main system along with the tube that easily connects. So it's just a quick click, and then you can also connect the brush part as well. So very simple to use, very lightweight. It's a really nice tool to have from like a daily, just kind of cleaning up, quick cleanup, spills, things like that. So a couple other tools that it comes with are the crevice tool and also a brush. So you can use those as well. Very easy to charge the battery. They do have a stand that it hooks up onto that you can stick the battery into, or you can actually just plug the battery directly into the charging cord. It does also come with an extra filter, so when the current filter in there gets dirty, you can replace it pretty easily. And they also have a neat item where it comes with some scented discs that you can put inside the vacuum. So it's actually blowing scented air into the air, which is kind of cool. So one of the nice features of this vacuum is that it is self-standing. So as you're using it, if you need to stop and just set it somewhere, it will stay standing up, which is great. Very simple to use, which I'll demonstrate now. So another nice feature about this vacuum is that you can adjust the length of this bar. So depending on your height, where you want it to be comfortable, you just simply click and it gives you a bunch of different options. So you should be able to find a length that works quite well for yourself. So we use this in an area that has both rugs and hardwood, and it works great on both, transitions very well from one to the other.